Merits of having windows in kitchen. Dear friends, the kitchen is made up of many small tools. It is a combination of a lot of good quality products. A person who is planning to get his kitchen designed should give his 100% to make the best out of it. There is a huge variety in the market of the products used in kitchen designing, and all these products are available in different ranges. One should do proper market research before installing products in the process of designing a kitchen. A kitchen is made of cabinets, vanities and countertops, and there are immense ranges in all such products. But it is vital to have proper windows in the kitchen, as it is one beneficial idea. There are some of the important advantages of having windows in the kitchen. The advantages will tell you why it is important to have the windows in the kitchen. Watch out, they're here. Peeper. By having a window in the kitchen, one can actually have a look at the outside area of the house. The window will tell who's entering and exiting in the house from the kitchen itself while cooking. To have an aisle negate, it is important to have the kitchen. Dishes and pickles. Sometimes you need sunlight in your kitchen badly, so that's why it is crucial to have the windows in the kitchen. The sunlight is one source of the energy which is needed by many spices, pickles and veggies to grow, so by having windows in kitchen one can actually make the most of it. Decor. Other than for dishes and privacy, one can have windows in the kitchen for the sake of decoration. The kitchen window will provide a proper and appropriate look to the kitchen, as it can act like a big-time decor piece. All you need to do is to be creative with it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.